Hi, and welcome back to Scrub Daddy FAQs here on YouTube. My name is Christopher Joyce, and today I am the Dust Destroyer. Today we're showing you the Damp Duster, a really unique product, and you're probably asking, what is a damp duster? Well, let me break it down for you. So before we get into the nitty-gritty about the Damp Duster, make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications so that you're the first to know about a new FAQ. So we offer the Damp Duster in two different versions, the sponge version and also the towel version. Both are pre-packaged, they're pre-wet, and they're available for immediate use. As you can see, they're very soft, flexible, and moldable. Moisture is really what makes this product work really well. It does a fantastic job of capturing the dust and the debris rather than spreading it around and pushing it into the air. These ridges do an incredible job of collecting dust, pollen, hair, and glitter. You simply glide it along the surface and it's going to capture all that debris. Just make sure you use it in one direction. The sponge is perfect for your blinds, your vents, your fan blades, and your windowsills. We love our towels for the baseboards, the railings, the furniture, and even bookshelves. When the Damp Duster has trapped as much as it can, all you need to do is rinse it out of the tap. It rinses clean, and that means you can rinse it out, wring it out, and reuse it over and over and over again. Just make sure that you put a strainer in the bottom of your sink to capture that dust and debris. When you're finished with your Damp Duster, just allow it to air dry in a well-ventilated space. This is important because if you don't, it could get moldy. When it's fully dry, it's as hard as a rock. But that's okay. That's what the Damp Duster is supposed to do. When you're ready to reuse the Damp Duster, all you have to do to reactivate it is saturate it under the tap. And then voila, within seconds, you're ready to bust the dust once again.
Okay.
We hope you found this FAQ segment on the Damp Duster really helpful. Now it's your turn. In the comments below, let us know where you like to use your Damp Duster. Pick out your favorite spots and let us know. Also, if you have any further questions or things you would like answers to, make sure you put that in the comments below as well. Well, that's all for now. Clean with a smile.
I love it.